In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create glass card effect in Figma. Let's get started by opening your design so you can see the background your glass card will sit on. This effect looks best when here is some contrast behind it. Think soft gradients, subtle textures, or imagery. Because the glass feel comes from what shows through. Begin by creating the base shape. Draw a rectangle or turn it into a frame if you prefer more layout control. Add a generous corner radius, somewhere around 20 to 40 pixels, to give it that modern, rounded finish. Set the fill to white or a very light neutral. This will become the foundation of the frosted look. Next, head to the Effects panel and switch the effect type to Background Blur. This is key. Background Blur blurs what's behind your shape, not the shape itself. Set it between 30 and 60, depending on how soft and diffused you want the backdrop to appear. Higher values create a more pronounced frost, while lower values keep background details a bit more recognizable. Now reduce the fill opacity of your shape to somewhere between 10 and 40%. This makes the card translucent and lets the blurred colors behind it subtly shine through. If your background is busy, lean toward the higher end of the blur and a slightly higher fill opacity for readability. To define the edge, add a stroke at 1 or 2 pixels, set to white with about 30 to 50% opacity. This faint outline gives the glass a crisp rim, helping it separate from the background without looking harsh. Add a subtle drop shadow to lift the card. Keep it soft and minimal. A low opacity, a small blur, and a slight downward offset are usually enough. The goal is depth, not drama, so it still feels airy and light. If you'd like to speed things up, you can use a plugin like Liquid Glass. Open Plugins, search for Liquid Glass, then run and open it. Select your shape or frame and in the plugin, adjust brightness to control how luminous the glass appears. Diffusion to fine-tune softness, and refraction to influence how background details bend through the surface. When it looks right, click Apply. You can always tweak the native blur, fill, stroke, and shadow afterward to match your design. That's it. Thanks for watching.